Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Umar Yusuf Fidak from Hazrat Fatima Zahra. Fatima Zahra wore her abba and with a group of women entered the court of Abu Bakr and the Muhajirin and Ansar. First of all, she let out a huge sigh from her grieving heart, so all the people started weeping. And after a few moments, when the weeping of the crowd had died down, she began by praising the Lord. And then she began to describe the oppression inflicted upon her after the Prophet of Islam passed away. She said, "O Muslims, is it true that you keep me deprived from knowledge? O son of Abu Quhafa, God has ordered that you are entitled to the inheritance of your father, but I should be deprived from my father's inheritance? How are you doing this in the name of Islam? O the daughter of the Messenger of Allah, we have done what God has ordered us. The Prophet said there is no inheritance of the prophets of God. You have deliberately left the religion and the Quran of God." No, God has said in the Quran, Solomon has inherited his father David. John inherited from his father Zechariah. God is speaking from Zechariah's tongue when he says, "O God, give me a son who is my heir and the heir of Jacob." And we are the family of the Prophet, and God has revealed many verses for us. Is there a verse about you in the Quran? Abu Bakr became fearful and quickly started writing the order of returning Fidak to Hazrat Fatima. But then Umar snatched the paper and said, "What are you doing?" "I am writing an order that commands Fidak to be returned to its owner, the daughter of the Messenger of God. If the Arabs fight you, you will have nothing to provide the Muslims with except for this garden. If you give it away, you won't have anything." Umar took the letter and tore it. And this way, Fidak was snatched from Hazrat Fatima. Fidak is the land that the Prophet received without war or bloodshed in the Battle of Khaybar, and by the order of God, it was added to the Prophet's wealth. And the Prophet gave Fidak to his daughter Zahra, and then it became a part of her wealth. After the death of the Prophet, Fidak was snatched from Hazrat Fatima forever.